Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So guys, in this video we will know that how to think in English. I think this question is every English learner's mind. So everyone know that if we think in English, then our English can be improved, but they don't know that how to think in English. So guys, thinking in English, this is not a magic, it's a habit you can also create in your mind. So I will tell you some points that can improve you thinking in English. So guys, if you also do the same, that if you want to speak in English, then you listen and you translate Hindi to English. If you also do the same, then don't worry, I'll tell you something. I also used to do the same, but now I can speak English and I can think in English. So guys, thinking in English, this is not a magic, it's a habit only you can also create in your mind. So first of all, you should suppose that you are sitting, you are in your bedroom, then you try to speak simple sentences. You try to think simple sentences like this is chair, and fan is on, and my phone is on the table. You try to think simple sentences in your mind. This thought will be your mind throughout the day. So if you do like this every day, every time, in starting it will be difficult, but if you try to do daily, then once you can, it will be natural thinking in English. So guys, I think you will do like this, what I'm saying. You don't translate difficult sentences, you try to think simple sentences. So if you will do daily these things, so once definitely you will be English thinker, and you can speak English fluently. We speak English very slow, because first we think, we translate in Hindi to English. After that we talk in English. So that's why this is the reason we speak English very slow. Sometimes our mind goes blank, sometimes we stuck, but once you are thinking, when you are habituate thinking in English, then it will this problem will away. So don't worry, keep trying to think in English. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.